we are going to find out countries. Which country contributed more and more, and find the each country's contributions. For that purpose only, we are going to create one new folder in the name of country, because we are going to find out country name. India contribution, USA contribution, United Republic, Republic China's contributions, that we are going to find out individually, and countries collaboration also, country networking also we are find out with the help of Pajek. So I created one new folder, blank folder. Before that I copy the tx2 file, copy and paste it in country, paste. Then I am going to open the Bibexcel, country, then txt2 file, view file. Which field we are going to analysis means in C1 field, one minute. In the C1 field only we can able to find out country's name. Here see, here only the author gave his name, then institutions, then here country, India name. Then see here India institution name, ICSSR, ICCAR, then Institute of Horticulture Research Council, then India country. See, University Horticulture Science, Balkot, Karnataka, Just like that, we are in the C1 field only, we are going to find out country's name. They will give the country. Here see, India. So this field we are going to take. Here Taiwan in C1 field. So this field we are going to analyze. Here the Taiwan. So I am closing the text file. Then I am opening the Bibexcel. That C1 field. Don't forget, in the old tag type C1. MISC, convert to dialog format, Web Science, plain text. Then okay, here this CR field is going to convert to the CD field. Okay, no problem. Then no. The result is the DOC file, doc file. Then whole field intact. Prep. Okay. Okay. Then here we are going to introduce so many steps. Here this one is the out file. For each and every addresses they are giving the bracket. See, here up to authors they are giving the bracket. So authors only they are giving the bracket. So for that sake only we are going to remove the bracket. How? Select the out file, run edit out file, remove dot bracket in the whole field. Then okay, yes, I will remove the bracket of the content. Give yes. Yes, the bracket is removed, only address is coming here. Okay, for example, once again I will repeat it. Select the out file. Okay, select the out file, then remove, then bracket will be there. We want to remove the name of the authors and the expansions. So for that purpose only, select the out file, then edit out file, remove this one, remove that from the whole field. That if you remove, click it means, then okay, yes, the result is the WCM file. Then select the select the WCM file, edit out file, decompress out files. Okay, no, then each and every addresses will come in the another line. See, in the WCM file, everything is the same line itself. So, same line itself. Here in the NNU file, each and everything is in the address. So select the WCM file, edit out file, decompress out file. Edit out file and decompress out file means result is the NNU file. Then each and every addresses in the each rows. Okay, right. Select the NNU file, edit out file, convert comma to T limited address. Okay, here the only person is a very great person. He will give the message box, no? So this one is here it is the comma like that only. So the result will be look like this. Then at the each and every semicolon one slash front slash will be at the end of this country's name before we can get to the double slash. Okay, this one is so very good, very great person. We are not able to give in the word. So see the result. So each and every addresses, institution name, country, state, place, then before the at the end the country. So here the double slash Taiwan, double slash India, double slash. Okay, right. So now we can double slash of the before the country we can able to find out the double slash. Then the name of the file is the ODR file. Select the ODR file. Here remove duplicate. Then make new out file because the second article is in the India only. So see. So here three authors contributions, three addresses there. So there are three institutions collaborations there, but everything is in the India only. So this one is the Horticulture University, this was the Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, ICCAR, then this one is the Central Food Technology. So each and everything is the separate institutions, but everything is in India. So we want to remove the duplicate. So for this purpose only, select the ODR, remove duplicate and make new out file. Then here you should select the country. Here if you select the country, then start. Then OK. See, very good. The result is the OUX file. Okay, the result is the OUX file. Then select the OEX file, then before that start on descending, then whole string, then result is the which country contribute more and more, that we should find out. Then start. Okay, then result is the yes, India's contribution 666, then People's Republic of China is 291, then USA, then Iran, Brazil, every country is contribution. We are able to find out. Here we are going to find out the COC file. For find out the COC file, select the country, the 10 and above. Okay, then select the CAT file, select which country's contributions 10 and above, copy, okay, and clear the list box, clear and paste. Okay, then just select the OUX file. OUX file, analysis, co-occurrence, make pair via list box. Then no, okay. Here we can find out India and USA collaborative works are 57. Then India and Saudi Arabia 42. Egypt and Saudi Arabia 22. Yes, we got the COC file. From the COC file, select the COC file, mapping, create net file, then OK, yes, yes. Then we got the net file. Okay, then we want to find out the WEC file also. Select the CAT file, then mapping, create WEC file. Okay. Then go to the Pajek. In Pajek application, then in the networks, open, find out your folder. Then I am in one turmeric, then country. In the country, net file, open. Then minimize it. Then vector, vec, open. Then in the draw first vector, network plus vector. See how beautiful, very good. Here, so the India's contribution is 666. Though size of the ball is very big. So here there is no value, vector value. So between this line. So for that purpose only, options, line options in the lines, in the here options, lines, mark lines with values. If you give means, then it is automatically it will give the vector value. Here see, the India and USA contribution is 57. Okay, Saudi Arabia and USA contribution, we can check it in that COC file itself also. Vector. One minute. We can check it. In country, so COC file we can check. So India and USA contribution is 57. Okay, right. Then USA and Saudi Arabia is 10. USA and 1 minute. USA and Saudi Arabia contribution is 10. Here see. USA Saudi Arabia is contribution is yes 6. Then here 666 is then CAT file. Open the CAT file. Then here. So India's contribution 606 is in the vector ball. So 1 minute. Then Republic of China's contribution is 261. Then USA 206. USA is 206. Yes, that's like that of this one is the individual country's contribution. This one is the collaborative work. So that's like that of in the Pajek you can find out. If you want to get out the original means circular, then original means it will come out. Before that Kamada Kavai, that you can get it. Then if you click it means then you can make it as a save in. So if this size is it is very beautiful means you can save it in your export. Export in the 2D or 3D, then BMP map or JPG, SVG, whatever file you want to save it in the. I want PMP files. Then this one is where is it is? It is in the Bibexcel. One Bibexcel, turmeric, country. Then we have taken 10 and above. Okay. Country's contribution 10 and above. Country's contribution 10 and above. Okay. Then just like that we can save it. That you should show it in the write up area. Then for networking purpose I am taking 10 and above country's contribution. For the on that basis only we got the net file. So he's like you should mention it. Okay. Once again can we go through it? In the Bibexcel, select the 1 minute txt2 file. Then here in the old tab type the C1 field. So here WebAssign MISC convert to dialog format and WebAssign's plain text. The result is the DOC file. From the DOC file, whole field intact. Whole field intact. Prub means that out file you can get it. From the out file, here everything is in the bracket. Author's name is in the bracket. So we want to remove the bracket. To remove the bracket, you should go to the top, edit out file, remove from the whole field remove bracket. What about it is in the bracket? So we should remove it. So for that purpose only is remove the whole field. Then if you give that remove the bracket, okay, yes. The result is the WCM file. Result is what is the name of the file? In that WCM file, view file. If we remove mean, okay, we have removed the name of the authors. That address only we are getting. So if we remove the address, each and everything is in the so second articles by the three institute. So we want to get in that each and every line. So for that purpose, select the WCM file, edit out file, decompress out file. If you know, by that we can okay, no. So each and everything is the result is the NNU file. View file. So each and every address is the NNU file. Then select the NNU file, edit out file, convert comma to delimited address. If you give the delimited address means before the country it will be the double slash. Click on, select the NNU file, edit out file, convert comma to delimited address. Then okay. Then result is the ODR file. So we want to remove the, yes, before that each and every country will be the double slash. Before the country double slash. So we want to remove the duplicate. So because second articles only published in the India only. So we can take India country contribution, we should take it as the only one. For that purpose only we want to remove the duplicate. So for remove the duplicate, remove the duplicate and edit out file. Create new edit file. Then here in this field select the country. Here we are selecting the country. Then start means that result is the OUX file. So if here, so India here duplicate are removed. India is the for second article only India, one India has taken. So for the, after that is only the same step. Then select the OUX file Then whole sort and descending whole string. By that only we can find out the CAT file. From the CAT file, I am selecting top 10 and countries contribution to find out the collaborative works. Top 10 and countries. Whatever want you, if you want, you can select one, more or less. That is your own will and wish. Then select the CAT file, analysis, co-occurrence, make pair via list box. If you give it means, then okay. Then the result is the COC file. Then from the COC file, mapping, create network files. Okay, then the result is the net file. Okay, then select the, we want the vector file also. Select the CAT file, view file, mapping, create vector. So for the on that purpose only we are getting vec file also, VEC extension file, this one. So we got the net file and vec file also. Go to the Pajek. Yes, I am closing everything. So go to the Pajek and in the network select the, so here automatically it will take the path also. So one Bibexcel, one turmeric, country, then date, network, then file name, network, then vector, select the vector, then draw network first vector. Then if you want to in the layout of the original means original, no problem. Then country's name, everything. You can change the size of the ball, then vector lines, everything you can change it in the options field. Then I want to, here if you give the remove spin around means it will look very nice. See how beautiful, very good. So I want to export it. I like this image very much. So BMP map, then already one map is there. 10 and above only, so I am giving the name extension one name. So in the coming video we can find out the C1 field. C1 field means citations, how which citation they are, which article they are cited more and more. Then we can add the table also.